Vibe. Yo, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Big up everybody. Dreycosting here. Alright. Through the vibes. So, we have TP1 hit. You know what I mean? Alarm went off. You know what I mean? Off this nice move that we caught this morning. Got TP1 about here. So that's it. And now we're trying to head to TP2. Right? So, let's recap. So yesterday we spoke about that price higher highs, higher lows, came back here to the trend line, create a higher low. Then we're going to look for buys here, right? So caught those buys this morning. We spoke about this last week. If we're continuing the uptrend, that these here, this money bar is going to be our take profit levels, right? And that comes from the touches from the downward trend, right? So it's like a reflection, it's like looking in the mirror. Alright, so now that you know what's up, let's free the vibe now, right? Let's free the vibe. Alright, first time I'm looking at the charts. Today is 10th October 2023. So let's analyze this chart, see if we could chop it up in some more pieces, right? So we're going up in a nice uptrend, right? In a nice uptrend. We have some nice little support going across here, right? See that? Going all the way across here, right? Nice. Nice little resistance, and now could possibly turn support, right? So let's see if this option is going to break this strong level and continue up. So what we want to look for, right? What we want to look for. Let's break it out, right? Let's break it out. We're at a resistance, right? So naturally, we cannot buy at a resistance. Right? We have to wait until price come back and for support, right? So coming up tomorrow morning, we're gonna look for the same thing. We're gonna look for the same movements to continue up, unless we're told otherwise, right? Unless we're told otherwise, we're gonna look for the same movement to continue up. Alright? So all we're gonna look for, back to the trend line right here, continue up. Alright? So if when we get up at London session prices around here, right? We're just gonna chill and wait for it to come back to the trend line, and more likely we're gonna set our alarm at this level. Alright, so let's put this right here. Should I put the let me tell you the area that I'm looking at, right? So this is at 182.207, right? That's the area 182.207. Alright. So one price retrace right here, create a higher low, confirm the base that should be for option to continue up. Yeah. So shift, higher high, retest, higher low, confirm the base that should be for option to continue up. It's simple as that. Alright, simple as that. Here we have some form of roof action, right? All of that right here. So we're just looking to continue up. Alright. Y'all know the drill already by now, right? It's the first time logging to this daily GJ. Right? Let me tell you the drill. The drill is simple, right? If price retraces here, form support, right? By creating a bearish candle and then have a bullish candle closure, and then that support is broken. All you're going to wait for is price to shift, retest, create a lower high, confirming the basic trading for a downtrend to continue back downwards. Alright? So we have to be mindful of that. We're not fully in that Nice little option in. You see this area right here? Want to break this zone right here with strongly in our option. Strongly in our option. Let me show you from a bigger picture. Alright, once you break this area right here, strongly in our option. But this can also be a sell-off, so we have to be careful of that, right? So price could just simply sell off from there. You see, every time price touches here at the 182, where at? It's 182 720, 182 720. Every time price touches here, it then sells off. Every time price touches here, it then sells off. Right? So we have to be mindful that this could be a sell-off here. Right? But we have to wait for it to break the trend line, reach a split and lower high until the low. Right? So I'm gonna look to buy here. You know what I mean? So that's a buy here. So we're looking for buying action right now. Alright, because we're in an option, and we just have to really wait until price give us that confirmation that we can continue to go down or we can continue to go up. So that's what we're looking at. So why am I saying that? Let's look at this right here, right? This was the overall downward structure. So let's look at it from a higher level. This was the overall downward structure. Is this structure right here? This is what they call a structure. This was the overall downward structure. So if we're looking at the overall downward structure like that, then this right here would have been previous high. This level right here would have been the previous high on the overall downward structure. And therefore, in order to be in a serious option, right? This previous high right here, we need to break it, right? Voiding the definition of a downtrend, retest, create a higher low, forming the basic of trading for option, and then we'll be in a massive option to continue up, right? Once we can break here, we're in a serious option to continue up, alright? So let's just show the action stay, but for now, we have to just take it in stages. We can't rush it, and that is how I deal with my trading, guys. I just take it in stages, right? Take it in stages, one day at a time, piece by piece by piece, right? But once price breaks here, then I'm gonna look for a longer move. TP1 there about 40 pips, 30 pips, or let me not say pips. TP1 is gonna be, if I can break here, retest my TP1 gonna be one of these money bags. But my final TP is gonna be all the way up back to this structure right here. But I'll guide you on that. So let's just take it one trade at a time. All we're trying to do is make one good trade at a time, right? One good trade at a time. So let's copy this. So I'm still in this trade right here. Right? So I knock TP1. You guys need to ensure that you follow the community tab, because I'm posting along in the community tab as well, right? So ETP1, yeah, I'm looking to come back right here, yeah, and see what's happening. So when I hit TP, when I take magic key sales, will take about 70% of the table, I let 10% run. I'm gonna scale in again and repeat the same process again, right? If you're interested in get magic keys, that nice risk calculator, click the link in the description on the risk calculator, and I mean the level up. Alright? So basically that's it. It's just like simple as that. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna create my alarm, right? Create my alarm, show you guys how to create the alarm. You know what I mean? I'm gonna create the alarm right here. Let me see what the error is. We're at, what's this? 182.199. And that is why it's important for you to have your paid trading view where you can create multiple alarms. You get me? Alright. So once price come back to this zone right here, and this is my area of interest. This is my area of interest that I'm gonna look for to take the trade. I'm not interested in taking the trade here or anything like that. I want it to come back here. Alright, let's look at another scenario before I go. Let's look at another scenario. What if price does something like this at pre-London? Shift, breaks this resistance, come back and create a higher maintenance level here. I'm still not gonna buy it. You know what I mean? I showed it that when we were here, we got the fake out and it came back to the trend line. I want price to, if he was to go here, I want price to come back to the trend line here, right? Price with GJ, it tends to like to come back to the trend line. So be careful if this push come back, and yes, it can continue up, but I don't like it. I like it let it come back to the trend line. GJ tends to respect the trend line, and also you have to be careful when you're putting your stop loss, guys. Here's another great example where price came back 250 more stop loss. I spoke about this in the community tab, right? However, I was not kicked out because I placed my stop loss. You know what I mean? I placed my stop loss below this week, right? So here, so within this constant level, this is the higher low, and this now will be the previous low, right? So price breaks beneath the previous low, then the definition of an option would have been void. So that is why I placed my stop loss beneath the previous low, which is this wick right here. Always use the wicks for our stop loss, alright? I use the wicks for my stop loss and the body of the candle to take profits, alright? So bear that in mind. So that's other crazy gems in this, crazy gems, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend, right? That we're dropping crazy gems on a daily basis. Alright, so drop your comments, drop your trading view chart with the link and all that so we can look at it. Hit that like button. Until tomorrow again. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.